when adding fractions, we have to make sure that our denominators are the same before we add them. So if we've got 1/5 plus 3/4, we can't do anything until our denominators are the same. So we actually have to find the lowest common multiple. Now, if you go back to one of my previous videos in this playlist, you'll see how we do that. So multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times that was 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. So our lowest common multiple is 20. Alright, so do that, we get the 5, we times that by 4/4, so that becomes 1/5 times 4/4 plus 3/4 times by 5/5. Because whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. Equals 4/20 plus 15/20 equals 19/20. Once our denominator is the same, all we do is add up the numerators. We don't do anything else. Alright? And that works the same with subtraction as well. Subtraction, if I had 5/6 take a half, we would find the lowest common multiple. In this case, I hope you can see that it's 6, because 2, 4, 6. So that becomes 5/6 take 1/2 times by 3/3 equals 5, 6 take 3, 6 equals 2/6, because 5 take 3 is 2. Now that can be simplified. They're both even numbers at the numerator and the denominator, so that means they're divisible by 2, which is 1/3. Now, this is very different to multiplying by fractions. As you can see here, we have to make the denominators the same. So if we have, for example, if I do a multiplication one, for example, if I have 4/5 times by 5, 6 times by 2/4, well, what we do is we just multiply straight across. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 times 2 is 40. Over 5 times 6 is 30. Times 4 is 120. Now we can simplify that because they will cancel out. We're left with 4/12, which equals 1/3. But you can see the difference between multiplication and division. Addition, we have to have multiplication and addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, the denominators have to be the same before we do anything. Multiplication, we just time straight through.